Hey guys, I have the FabFitFun for a summer unboxing for you guys. FabFitFun is a $49.99 seasonal box and it has everything from beauty, wellness, and lifestyle. So it comes with a variety of different products in it. I am a FabFitFun partner, so they do send me this for review purposes, but all opinions on the products and the box and everything are my own. They love when we post very honest opinions, so I really love that about working with the company. Also, they do give me a coupon code. I make nothing off of the coupon code. It's only for your benefit. You get $10 off your first box if you sign up with my code, which I will have around here and in the bottom bar. FabFitFun is actually now letting you customize some of the items in your box, which I think is amazing. So that way you can actually pick some of the things that you really want. And I am going to show you what I got in mine. So to begin, this is the summer box. It's very colorful and fun, as you can see right there, very summery. And I'm going to go ahead and pop this open. And of course it comes with the FabFitFun magazine, which explains everything that comes in the box. And also what I love about these magazines is that it really helps you learn how to use the products, especially if there are, for example, fashion items and things like that. You can actually learn how to use them from the magazine themselves. First thing that I see in my box is this earth jewelry, and this is a very beautiful gold ring with 2 pearls in it. And what it says on the back is that it's the Earth 2 Iyo, which is you and I, ring. And what it is 2 freshwater pearls joined by a 14 karat gold plated ring united. So it's supposed to actually symbol love, friendship, togetherness, and partnership. So I really think that that is cute. And this is worth $55. It says avoid contact with lotion and sprays and remove when swimming. So this will turn if you get it wet. So you do want to take care of it. And I do like the fact that they are real pearls. So this is what the ring looks like once you take it out of the packaging. It's super cute and just delicate. It has those 2 real pearls right there. So I think that that is super cute. I really love simple jewelry like this. And like I said, this is worth $55. Next thing that I see in here is a beach towel, and it says Summer and Rose. And I think I got the pattern that I'll show you guys right now. There's 2 different patterns. There's this really cute pineapple pattern, and then there's this cute kind of just multicolored leaves, sort of. And this is worth $55. It's a collaboration with Rocky Barnes, and they are oversized towels that are microfiber so the sand won't stick to them. And you can choose between the towel or this makeup train case. The makeup train case is from Yumi Kin and is $58, so it seems very nice if you need a makeup train case to pour it around. I'm super excited that I got the towel just because I've been looking forward to summer, to going to the pool and going out. I also really want to go to Aquatica and take my son. If you don't know, that's a water park here in Orlando. So let me see if I can get this out. So here's the towel right here. I can tell you right now that it's super soft, and I can just tell that I'm going to get a lot of uses of this. And I like microfiber just because it kind of really absorbs the water really nicely. This is going to be really nice to go out, especially having a baby. I feel like this is going to be really nice to almost layer, make it a little bit thicker and put it down on the sand for him. Next thing that I see in here is Pure One Imports. And let me see where this is. So this is what the dish looks like right here. It's marble with the gold trim. It says that it is a Pure One Imports marble ring dish, and it's perfect to put rings, keys, loose change, and it's a marble design with gold trim. Like I said, it's $14.99, and it says as a tip to place it near your kitchen sink so you can take off your rings before doing the dishes. So that is a super cute idea. I love little ring and little dishes like this to put rings and jewelry and all kinds of things. Right here in front of me, I actually have one of them, and I actually have even lashes in them. So I love them just because it's like a good place to put little knickknacks in. Next thing that I see in here is this right here. So let me unpackage it. And this is the L'Oreal Luna. I have been dying to try this. I have been using the Clarisonic forever, so I have always wanted to try this and see what the difference is. Let me know if you guys want a full-on review of this. I'm super ecstatic that I finally got one. This is a facial cleansing brush, and what they say is really good about this is that you don't have to actually switch heads or anything like this because it is an all-in-one kind of cleansing device, so you don't have to switch heads like you do on the Clarisonic. This is worth $89, and this is the newest one. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile. So I guess you download something to your phone. From what I see, you put a beauty coach app and then you tell it about your skin, and then it makes a unique different cleanse cycle for your skin specifically. So that is very, very smart. It says it measures skin moisture, reveals skin age, customizes cleansing routine, and app records your progress. It has AAA batteries that are included, so this isn't something that you can recharge like the Clarisonic, but I do like the fact that it's very nice and portable and really small. So here in the magazine it actually shows the different shades. I really like the shade that I got. It's like the baby blue one, and I think that these are super cute. They're small, portable. It says that you can use it for 1 minute every morning and every night, and the app actually keeps track of your progress. So this will be super exciting. Let me know if you guys want a full-on review of this, and I will totally do that for you guys. Another product that I see in here is the Kula Spf 50. I'm super excited that this came in the box since this is useful for the summertime. Sunscreen is always welcome, and I've heard a lot of good things about this brand Kula. It's organic sun care. It's broad spectrum SPF 50. It's a moisturizer as well, and it has white tea. And it says it's TSA approved size, so it's good for traveling. It's waterproof, or no, it's water resistant up to 80 minutes, and it is a cruelty-free brand. Let me see what the pamphlet says. It's an SPF 50 sunscreen which doubles as a moisturizer. It's 80-minute water-resistant formula, is 70% organic ingredients, so you can splash, swim, and soak up the sun worry-free. And this is worth $32. So you do get a full size of this. It's very nice. You get 1.7 fluid ounces, and this is perfect, especially since here in Florida the weather is already super, super hot. Just so you know, everyone will get the Ferrario. I hope that I'm saying that right. The Ferrario Luna. You will get the Kula Face Sport, and you will get the Marble Ring Dish. The other things here are the ones that you can pick one or the other on some of these, so you can select only one of them. Next thing that is in the box, I have the Orlando Pita Play, and this is the Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Spray. It is for use on damp or dry hair, and it is the ultimate preheat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. So this is supposed to help up to 450 heat protection, provides humidity controlled, shields from environmental stressors, for split ends, provides shine. It does a ton of things. So it's a 10-in-1, and it says that it's a treatment spray for invisible weightless veil that shields the hair from harmful UV damage, heat style tools, and free radicals. This is worth $34, and this is also something great for summer, especially since it helps your hair against UV damage. Definitely will be in my little beach bag and pool bag to take around with me and try to protect my hair, because my hair just does not respond well to sun and the salt water. So instead of the Pita Play, you can choose the Elmis Papaya Enzyme Peel, and it is a exfoliating enzyme peel for your face, which is worth $45. So you can choose either one. And then see here, you also have to choose between the Tart Proclo Highlight and Contour Palette or the Pro To Go Palette and Sex Kitten Liquid Liner. So this is $45 and this is $43. So let me see which one I got. And I got the little eyeshadow to go palette with the liner. So definitely going to open this up and see. I feel like this is like the perfect little travel kit in here. These shades look absolutely beautiful. This looks very nice to travel with. The packaging is really beautiful, and then you have a little mirror, and then you have basically 3 matte shades and 3 shimmer shades. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, these are super, super buttery. So those are the matte shades right there, and these are the shimmer shades right there. These look absolutely super beautiful. I had never heard of this little Tartist palette, but definitely if you're looking into it, it seems very good. The formulation really reminds me of the Tartlet in Bloom or Tartlet palette, so this is definitely up my alley. This is the kind of palette that I love from Tarte. Their quality of those kinds of eyeshadows are amazing. And the liquid liner is one that I haven't heard much about and I've never tried before. So, oh, that is super cute. It has a little cat at the top of it, so that is adorable packaging, as you can see there. And it's a felt tip pen, and it seems very smooth. It's a little liquidy for my taste, but I will definitely play around with this and see how it goes. I have to say the packaging is super cute with the little cat on there. And as far as the Proclo highlight and contour, I've heard very good reviews on this. It actually has, I think, some shades that are cream and some that are powder, so definitely you are going to a win-win situation with either one of these. And I totally forgot to mention this, as far as these go, you can either get the ring, a body caviar, or a de-stress muscle gel. So it's one of these three. I actually got the ring, which was the first thing that I showed, and I totally spaced out and forgot to show you guys what the other options were. So as far as the last option, you can get a Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator, which is an exfoliating cleanser. You can get a sports loop resistant band, or a minor history postscript wallet. So you either get a wallet, a resistant band, or an enzymatic face kind of exfoliating face wash. The one that I got in my box is the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. This is an exfoliating cleanser. It says it has papaya, microcrystals, and aloe, and it actually says on the box that you can use it 3 to 5 times a week, so we'll definitely be playing with this. I have tried their brushes, and I do like their makeup brushes by Vasanti, so this is the first time that I've actually tried a product from them. As far as the box goes, your total value can be from $321.99 to $366.99 depending on the selection of the products. So definitely let me know what you're choosing, what you would love to see in your box, what you're going to customize. I would love to hear back from you guys. Let me know what you're looking forward to actually receiving or what you're not looking forward to receiving. I think that the Tarte, you're a win-win situation here. I'm so happy that I got this little palette and the eyeliner. The towel to me is a win. I absolutely love beach towels. If you're in need of a makeup train case, then definitely go for the makeup train case. And here I feel like you can either get the peel or the hair protectant. Both of those seem really nice. As far as these go, I really like the exfoliator out of these three, and for me all three of these seem really nice. Either a de-stress muscle gel, either a body caviar, which is a body treatment to exfoliate your skin, or the ring. You're gonna win all over there. And like I said previously, all three of these will be coming in each box, so I'm super excited that the Foreo is going to be in every single box, because cleansing brushes like that are amazing on your skin. You really see the difference when you use something like that on your skin. And don't take my word for it. If you're getting the box, you will definitely see the difference in using something like that. I hope that this is just as good as it is hyped about. I am super excited to see how it works and how it will play out. That is it for the Summer FabFitFun unboxing. Let me know what you guys think of the summer box. What are you excited to get? Are you going to be getting a box? Remember, if you want to get a box and have $10 off, they do give me a coupon code, which I do not make any compensation off of. It's just for your benefit, for you to save some money on. And yeah, I'm super excited to really try this Foreo out. I think that that is the thing that most stood out to me from this box, so that is amazing. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Let me know what your opinion is. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button down below. Love you guys, and until next time. Bye guys.